धोनी का 51
given in this tournament. Disappointed, we couldn't go into the finals, but only one team can win, and I felt they played better cricket on the day. And I think you asked me about my future. A very interesting answer. It's up to you guys. We should do the media should do a nice research on it. Take a few days, and my advice will be whatever you decide, write the complete opposite. Yeah, that will be the facts. Frankly, for me it doesn't really matter. For me, every time I turn up, for me what's important is to do something special so that I can be part of, or I can contribute to the win. The top order has done really well, so at times I don't really get opportunity. What we have seen is I've been part of series where I've not actually got to bat. Apart from that, what people think about me as a player, or what I have done, it doesn't really matter, because till I'm playing, I play for the enjoyment of the game, and I don't really have to do anything with the amount of runs I've scored. The day I pack my bags, I'll pack it and I'll be happy on my bike. The relationship is, it's not like we have a bowling coach, you have this, you have that, you have a fielding coach. It's more of a friendship that goes on. Dr. Baba is quite strict over here, but with us inside is quite friendly. So I think we work more as a family. The reason being, that's our culture also, and I feel it often helps to have the kind of support staff that we have. I thought that question will be answered later, but it's the first one. Before the start of the tournament, when we played the tri-series, we had a lot of problems to deal with, the cricketing problems, the form of the players. So all in all, it was a tough one for us. The test matches didn't go our way, the tri-series didn't go our way. So it was important to, have a good dressing room atmosphere, and all the members, including the support staff, they were just brilliant, because if you have a good dressing room atmosphere, it's slightly easy to come back into form. Once the opposition puts over 300 runs on the board, and once they have quality bowlers, at some point of time you have to take that risk. And if it pays off, that if it clicks, all of a sudden everything changes. So he played a shot, it didn't pay off. So that's it. I would say it happens in cricket. I felt it was a good score. Yes, there was pressure, but at the same time it needed some good batting and good partnership. So it was a gettable score, but it needed some really hard work, to get that runs on the board. Can't really say too much of ifs and buts in cricket, because the way they were scoring, it seemed as if they'll score 350 runs. But, we got them out for 320, 330. The only good thing is our batting lineup, they know how to chase 300. It didn't go really well in this game, but, we are one team that has done it quite often. So I don't think that extra 20 runs would have made a lot of difference. Hopefully, what the fast bowlers have learnt in this tour, they'll keep that in their mind, because we won't be playing outside the subcontinent, till next year maybe. So it's very important for them to, keep in mind what really they have learned. I feel we could have altered the length, not the short pitch delivery. I felt at times we were slightly more up than where we should have been, because this wicket was not similar to some of the other wickets that we have played. But as I said, we could have done something better, but it doesn't really matter now. Well, it's something, that doesn't really belong to anyone. We definitely took it from someone, so somebody took it from us. So, it's as simple as that. And, the best team, takes it for 4 years' time. And then everybody, gets their own plans ready depending on the conditions. And, they challenge the one that has the cup. So that has been the case. It doesn't stay with one for long, but that's how it has been. If we would have played better cricket on this particular day, maybe we would have gone into the finals. But that's how it is. Any international sport, you have to be at your best. If not, the cup gets shared.